Hey everyone, did you just update your Windows 11 and now your Notepad, Snipping Tool or even Outlook won't open and it's giving you this error message or error code? Don't worry. This is a license validation bug from the April 2026 patch, and today's video I'm going to give you some quick fix that can keep the apps going without reinstalling any application. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that notification bell so you don't miss future updates. Without no further ado, let's head right to the video. First things first, you want to reset the cache files from the Microsoft Store, and the reason is because the license is coming from the Microsoft Store and that's where most of this error message is coming. So what you want to do is go to your search engine, your search bar, and then type this code WS reset. And when the app pops out like this, you want to right click and then run it as an administrator. This black dialog opens up and then cleans up Microsoft Store's cache and relaunch Microsoft Store, and then that's it. It's all done. So head over to the application that's giving you the error code and then try launching it once more and check if the problem is solved. If the problem isn't solved, then you want to fix the application manually. How do you do that? Head over to your settings. I'll hold Windows and IT on my keyboard to open settings, and then head over to the app section, install app, and type the application name in the search box. So let's take it, Notepad is what's giving us the problem, so I'm going to type Notepad. Then head over to the right and tap on click on more options and then advanced options. Here you want to go down to reset and then click on repair. By clicking on repair, your problem should be solved. For whatever reason, if the repair is done and then you still receive the error code or the error message, you want to click on reset icon. Reset will permanently delete the app's data and then you will have to start the app afresh. So be it Microsoft Outlook or any other application that is giving you the problem, and if it is Notepad as well, you are going to lose all the data to the app. But if you have any other files outside the application, you have nothing to worry about. Well, sometimes you may have multiple apps giving you the same trouble. So what you want to do is to fix them all at once. To do that, head over to your search box once more and then open terminal as an administrator. So I'll type terminal and then right click on it and run administrator. Do the administrator right by clicking yes on the bottom and then copy this code in the I'll drop this code in this video description. So copy it and paste it in it, and then I'll drop this code in the description of this video. So copy it and paste it in the terminal app and then hit enter. The process will begin, but for the sake of the video I'll close this process for you. Wait for the process to hit 100% and it will solve all the apps that give you this error code. If you get your app fixed, please drop which of the methods get the apps done, and yeah, there you go, the apps are all back to normal. So if this saves your workflow today, please hit that like button and subscribe, and know that we are staying on top of all these 2026 Windows bugs. So stick around and I'll see you in the next one.